Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I hope you all must be doing good. So, today the video is about Redmi 9T, the global variant, and Redmi 9 Power, the India variant. So, I am going to get Mi Dialer and Mi SMS application. I am going to install Mi Dialer and Mi SMS application without taking a help of computer, without unlocking bootloader, without routing the set, and without flashing the custom recovery. You can install the other region ROM, that region ROM which is having Mi Dialer and Mi SMS application without unlocking bootloader. Yes, the Indonesia ROM is having Mi Dialer and Mi SMS application. So you can install the Mi Dialer region ROM like Indonesian ROM on Redmi 9T, the global variant, or Redmi 9T, the Europe variant, and India, the Redmi 9 Power. And one more thing, that this procedure will work on both. Like if you have a lock bootloader, yes, it will work. And in case if you are a flashaholic like me, you flash custom ROM every time, still this procedure will work on unlock bootloader. Let me inform you that you have to save all the internal storage data, because this procedure will format everything. Check the battery should be charged to maximum like 50 to 60%. Internet must be connected on your mobile phone. And do not forget to like the video, and do not forget to share it with others, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Tech Infomania. Tap the bell icon and select all. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, what we need for this procedure, we need two full recovery ROM file, and we have to download two recovery ROM file. You can download both ROM files on your mobile phone. You don't need to take a help from computer, because link is already provided in my video description down there. Click the link and download two recovery ROM file. One recovery ROM file will be the Indonesia latest ROM, that must be currently 12.5.5, and the other full recovery ROM file must be the one you already have on your mobile phone. For example, my Redmi 9T is having MIUI 12.5.8. The global version, if you can see the codes in brackets, RJQMI. MI stand for global. If in case if you have IN, which means that India, and if you in case if you have EU, which means that stock double EA. So in case if you have MI, which means that you must be having a global ROM. So whatever MIUI version region ROM you have already installed on your mobile phone, you need to download full recovery ROM file, this one, and the other one you are installing on your mobile phone without unlock bootloader, the other region. So, and one more thing, your set must be on Android version 11. Do not apply this procedure if you are on still, if your set still is on Android 10. Those Redmi 9T users or Redmi 9 Power user still having Android 10 version, will this procedure will not work on Android 10. First, install the Android version 11, then you can proceed this procedure. Now, I will open my file manager to show that both ROMs I have already downloaded, and if you are downloading both ROMs, it will be in download folder. I will go to download folder. Here you can see the number one file is the global one, the MIUI version 12.5.8. If you see the codes RJQMIXM. Currently, this one is installed on my mobile phone. So I have already downloaded the ROM file, the recovery ROM file, and other the Indonesian region ROM. You can see the RJQID. ID stand for Indonesia, and the Indonesia currently MIUI version is available 12.5.5. You must download the latest one. If you are watching this video in future, currently whatever latest version available, you can download it. To start the procedure, check the internet must be connected, and then simply again open the file manager and press and tap the first ROM currently installed on your mobile phone. Like in my case, I have 12.5.8. Tap and press and tap. The file will get selected. Tap more, tap rename, and erase everything. Just leave zip. Now type, just check the caps lock. If the caps lock on, then turn it off. Now type ROM, that's it. Tap OK. Then if you see the first file, which was my currently installed MIUI 12.5.8 on my mobile phone, is changed now from the big name from to short name rom.zip, and the upper one is Indonesia ROM 12.5.5. I will change this file name also, but later. Now I will minimize this file manager. We'll go back to settings. Then we'll go to about phone, check the internet and tap the MIUI big number, and then tap the big 12 number for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Additional update features are on. Tap 3 dots, then tap choose update package and go to download folder. Select the rom.zip that I just renamed the ROM, the current version installed on my mobile. Select it and tap OK. The procedure will start. Just wait for it. Now, if you see this window, whenever this window pop up and it is asking you to reboot and update, which means that this procedure, the changing the other region ROM on lock bootloader will definitely work. In case if you see only update, no, not reboot and update, only update, which means that this procedure will not work. Now, do not tap anything here, just minimize this window and go back to file manager. Tap the file manager to open it, and then go to internal storage, tap the download folder. Okay, press and tap the first rom.zip, which I renamed it first. Press and tap it, then tap more, tap rename, and come to the end of the file name, erase zip only, that's it, and type BAK. Now we need to change the first ROM that I have renamed, only the extension, not the ROM file, only the extension from zip to BAK. Tap OK. Again tap OK. Now if you see, the rom.zip is got changed from zip to BAK. Now it is time to rename the Indonesia version ROM. Press and tap the file name, it will get selected. Tap more, then tap rename and erase everything. Erase everything, not a single alphabet or dot must be here. It is supposed to be empty. Now if the caps lock is on, then turn it off, then type ROM dot. If you see the ROM, the file name got changed in capitals, erase it, erase everything again, turn the caps lock off, then type again ROM dot ZIP. Let me show it clearly. ROM dot ZIP must be in small letters. Now tap OK, and the file Indonesian ROM is got changed from the big name to rom.zip. The first one is the current one, the global one is already got changed from zip to BAK. And now minimize this file manager and tap the recent app, and you will see the updater application here. Tap to bring the updater application back on the mobile phone screen and tap reboot and update. The procedure will start. Now wait for it. It will take around 2 or 3 minutes. And the installation of Indonesian ROM is about to be end. Yes, it is ended. And after going from global ROM to Indonesia region ROM on lock bootloader or on unlock bootloader, after when flushing get completed, the set will require and will ask you to boot into MIUI recovery, and it is now booting into MIUI recovery. Will ask to do the wipe data things, because we have to do, and the set must require to do that to make the Indonesian ROM perform flawlessly. Now on this window, press the volume down key to select wipe data, That is why I told you to save all the data. Then now press power key to select wipe data. Press again volume down key, wipe all data, press power key. Again press volume down key, press confirm, then it will start it and it will be done. Again press power key to go back, press power key reboot to system, press power key. Things done very perfectly. Indonesian ROM is flashed perfectly on Redmi 9T or Redmi 9 Power, and it will start booting into stock ROM MIUI for 12.5.5, the Indonesian ROM. The first boot will take a time, so just wait for it now. Finally, I got the welcome screen of MIUI 12.5. I will complete my setup screen. Ta-da! Finally, I got the Mi dialer and Mi SMS application. The Indonesia ROM installation done very perfectly, very perfectly. And with the installation of Indonesian ROM, I am getting the Mi dialer. I got the Mi dialer. If I go further, tap here and I got the call recording feature. If I want to set auto call recording, I can set it, and if I want, the call recording button will appear on the dialer whenever I am making a call. So I can record calls manually and also auto call recording. And I got the Mi SMS application. Now, if I go further on settings and if I go further on about phone, so my set is downgraded from global ROM 12.5.8 back to Indonesia region ROM MIUI 12.5.5. If you see the codes in brackets, RJQID. ID stand for Indonesia. Before it was MI. If I go further on all specification, just check my phone specification: 4 GB RAM, octa-core, 2.0 GHz, Android version 11, Android security date, MIUI version 12.5.5 model, and also check out the baseband version. Must see the codes under below the baseband version. The installation of Indonesian ROM perfectly done. And one more thing, whenever Indonesia ROM, region ROM release the update, the Redmi 9T, in case if you are having an Indonesia ROM, the Redmi 9T will always notify you that updates available and updates got released. It will it will download the updates automatically, and it will update the set automatically the way it is supposed to be. So many users usually ask this question that where will we get updates? Yes, we will get updates. After all, this is the stock ROM. Enjoy Mi dialer, enjoy Mi SMS application, enjoy the call recording on Redmi 9T. So this video was about how to get Mi dialer on Redmi 9T. If you got helped by this video, do not forget to like the video. Do share this video with others. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you again. Till then, goodbye.